Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. I am also doing good. Now we are moving on to part 2 of our cell organs, right? So in the previous video we had covered our endoplasmic reticulum. I told you what is endoplasmic reticulum, types of endoplasmic reticulum, structure, function, right? Now we will be moving on to the second organ, okay? That is our Golgi body. Okay, Golgi apparatus or Golgi. Fine. So Golgi body is beta a very simple diagram. Let me just draw the diagram first for you. This is a very zoomed in diagram, not very good, but I hope you guys can manage. You can understand. Just a simple thing, beta. This is the Golgi body. This is the Golgi body. Okay. So one thing can you see here? These are parallel to one another. Okay. These are parallel to one another. So beta, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus is a structure in which there are stacks which are parallelly arranged each to one another. Okay, these are stacks which are parallelly arranged. They are parallelly arranged with each other in stacks. Okay, beta, these are parallelly arranged with each other. They are known as stacks and they are called as cisterns. Cisterns. Okay, they are also called as beta cisterns. Okay, so it has a system of membrane bound vesicles, right? So they are parallelly arranged with each other in stacks. Okay, it has a network of what beta? Membrane bound vesicles. Membrane bound vesicles. Okay, so if anybody asks you beta, what is Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, you can say that Golgi body or Golgi apparatus is a structure which has a membrane bound vesicles which are parallelly arranged with each other in stacks called as cisterns. Simple. ठीक है, this is a structure. इसमें क्या होता है बेटा? Membrane bound vesicles which are parallelly arranged with each other in stacks called as cisterns. Right? Now what happens next, beta? Golgi apparatus का structure we have told. Now functions. What are the functions? So beta, I told you ER is the manufacturer, right? So whatever ER is manufacturing, beta, that is proteins, lipids, all of those proteins, lipids or the products manufactured by ER, they go to the Golgi body. The products, they go to the Golgi body for their packaging and transporting. Their packaging or packing and transporting. Okay, so हमने क्या name दिया था बेटा? We had named endoplasmic reticulum as the manufacturer, right? वो manufacture करता है, right? For example, in your class there are 40 students, right? Some of them fathers and mothers, they are in different businesses, different services. Okay, so father might be in the manufacturing unit, mother might be in the transport unit, right? There are different tasks that everybody is employed in. Right, so here also beta, in a cell organelles have different tasks, different functions. So ER का function क्या था? Manufacturing. Manufacturing क्या कर रहा था बेटा? वो it was manufacturing proteins and lipids. Now proteins and lipids के बाद होता क्या है? What happens? They go to the Golgi body, beta. The proteins and lipids from the ER move to the Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, and there the packaging and transporting takes place, and then they move in and outside the cell. Okay, this is the main function of our Golgi body. Okay, so beta, very complex sugars are also formed here. बहुत सारे phases होते हैं बेटा इसमें. Cis phase, trans phase, but you will not have to learn this right now. You will learn this in detail afterwards, not right now. Okay? So what happens बेटा यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Simple sugar enter करता है and then packaging, transporting, अंदर ही अंदर there are processes going on, and if a simple sugar is coming to the Golgi body, it is a very simple sugar, it will come out in a complex way. It will be formed in a complex manner. So what happens? Many complex sugars are formed from simple sugars in Golgi body. And there is one organelle which is formed by Golgi body beta. It is the lysosome. It is the lysosome. So lysosomes are formed inside the Golgi body, right? So lysosomes are also a type of a vesicle. Okay, vesicular bodies. Fine. Next one we will study in this video only. Let's finish lysosome only. It is also a very small thing. Let me erase it. So lysosome beta. Lysosome is the next organelle we are moving. Okay. What is the next organelle beta? Lysosome. So lysosome have a very simple structure. This is the structure of lysosome. तो lysosome बेटा very important. इसका function क्या होता है? They are known as suicidal bags. Suicidal bags or garbage bags or garbage bags. You can say disposable bags. So lysosomes बेटा. What are lysosomes? They are suicidal bags or garbage bags. What? Why is it called? मतलब ऐसे क्यों बोला जाता है मैम इसको? What is the reason that they are called so? Because beta, these are bag-like structures, like you can see here. This is a structure. Inside it, something is there. So the bag has stored digestive enzymes. It has stored digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes. Okay, which help in the digestion and engulfment of the foreign material and destroying them. Okay, so these enzymes, अब क्या करता है बेटा? इसके अंदर, this is a lysosome. Lysosome inside it has digestive enzymes. So any foreign material beta, any foreign material or any toxic material or any worn out cell, कोई cell खराब हो रहा है, worn out cell, whatever things are destructive, which are waste, worn out cells, they all go to what beta? They all go inside the lysosome. They reach inside the lysosome, and lysosome, what does it do? It has what? Digestive enzymes. So these digestive enzymes beta, they help in basically digesting all these things and destroying them. Okay? Now beta, the basic function of lysosome is that it helps to keep the cell clean. It helps to keep the cell clean. How come? You can be asked this question in a short answer question in your exam, that how come lysosome is helping in keeping the cell clean? You will say that lysosome helps in keeping the cell clean by engulfing or taking up all the foreign material and the toxic material and worn out cells inside them, and with the help of digestive enzymes beta, it basically destroys it. Okay, it destroys it. Now later on, what happens when the cell gets damaged itself beta? When the cell gets damaged itself, what does it do? It bursts. Okay, it bursts itself. The entire lysosome bursts. Okay, so they are known as suicidal bags. As the cell will get damaged, the lysosome may burst, and the enzymes digest their own cell. Okay, fine. And the enzymes digest their own cell. That is the reason they are known as what beta? Suicidal bags. Because when the cell gets damaged, it is bursting itself. Okay, the enzyme digests their own cell. So this is all about beta lysosomes. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Any problem, any doubt, you can put in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video with the next few Untitled Chapter. Right? So take care, stay tuned for the next video. And I will meet you guys with the next video of mitochondria. Right? So hope you guys are doing fine. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.